When comparing Freshservice versus Zendesk, which is the best help desk software, you're probably looking for a solution that simplifies customer support, streamlines your team's workflow, and offers the right features for your business needs. Both Freshservice and Zendesk have become popular choices in the help desk software space, but which one should you choose? Let's break down what each platform offers, and by the end, I'll share a better alternative based on real-world experience. First thing, let's talk about ease of use. Freshservice is known for its clean, intuitive interface designed to make it easy for teams to get started right away. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, it's a no-brainer for support teams to jump into. Zendesk, however, is a bit more complex. While it offers advanced features, it can feel like there's a bit more of a learning curve, especially for beginners. Zendesk offers a more customizable interface, which sounds great, but it does come at the cost of a steeper learning curve. Next thing, pricing is something you'll need to consider. Freshservice tends to be a more budget-friendly option with its clear-cut pricing tiers. It's transparent, so there's no guessing when it comes to what you'll pay. Zendesk's pricing, on the other hand, is a bit more complex, with add-ons that can quickly increase your monthly cost. If you're a smaller business or a startup, Freshservice might be a more cost-effective solution, while Zendesk shines in larger setups where the investment is justified by its rich set of features. The third thing, let's talk about automation and ticketing. Freshservice offers automated ticket management and an AI-driven chatbot that helps triage tickets before they hit your desk. However, Zendesk's automation capabilities are on another level. It allows for deeper customizations and more complex workflows. If you're dealing with a high volume of tickets and need to refine your support structure, Zendesk's automation features might be the better choice. The fourth thing, integrations. Freshservice comes with a strong set of built-in integrations for platforms like Google, Slack, and Microsoft Teams, among others. While Zendesk offers integrations too, it's worth noting that Zendesk's marketplace is larger, meaning it can connect to a wider range of third-party applications, which might be a plus if you already use specific tools in your organization. Next, customer support is one area both of these tools excel in, but there's a difference in approach. Freshservice focuses more on self-service with its knowledge base and AI-powered support, making it great for customers who want quick answers. Zendesk, meanwhile, is known for its 24/7 live support and deeper customer service resources, which makes it ideal if you need more hands-on help, especially for larger businesses. The final point, scalability. Freshservice is solid for small to mid-sized businesses, but as you scale, you might find that it lacks some of the depth and flexibility you need. Zendesk, however, was built with scalability in mind. Whether you're growing quickly or need to manage a large enterprise-level team, Zendesk can adapt to your evolving needs. After trying both Freshservice and Zendesk myself, I'll say they're both great help desk tools, but there's an even better solution out there. If you're looking for a more tailored experience for your business without all the added complexity, I highly recommend checking out the free trial in the description below. By using our link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out.